To start the dishwasher in the morning, follow the instructions for turning the machines on, found on the wall above the rail. Begin by turning the lever below the PRM towards the wall. This will prevent the water from flowing out of the machines. Now open the guide rail and put the 2 strainers into the pre-rinse machine. Next, open the guide rail of the dishwasher and place the big strainer in the machine. Then the metal plate on top, and finally the small strainer that fits the hole in the metal plate. Now just bring down the guide rails and push the power buttons of both machines and bring down the hoods, and the dishwasher will start filling and heating. When you push the button, it will seem like the PRM is not working, but this is not the case. The power button of the PRM will light up when it has been filled up with water. The pre-rinse machine is a machine which reuses leftover water from the dishwasher and will automatically fill up with water whenever there is water in the dishwasher. When the dishwasher is filling, the top display will show 2 lines, and when it's ready to go, it will display a temperature somewhere above 60 degrees. The little wash symbol will also be lit up. This symbol means that the machine is ready to start washing. When starting the dishwasher, an error message frequently comes up. This is normal. Try pushing the power button or opening and closing the hood, and it should go away. The pre-rinse machine is ready to start rinsing when the power button turns green. Then to start the dishwasher, open the hood and choose a program. P1 is 1 minute, P2 is 1.5 minutes, and P3 is 3 minutes. Use the program needed for the dishes to be clean. First, put a basket of dishes into the pre-rinse machine and close the hood. The machine will start automatically. When it's finished, open the hood and slide the dishes over into the dishwasher and close the hood. This machine will also start automatically. Don't rinse any of the dishes with water before putting them into the pre-rinse machine. Scraping is enough. Soaking dishes can be done by collecting water in the sink. Just turn the lever underneath the sink to prevent outflow of water. Never put any knives or other sharp objects into the water. During the dishwashing program, the display will count down to 0.0. At the end of the program, when the display says 0.1, it will briefly display the temperature of the rinsing cycle. This should be checked every now and then throughout the day and should not go below 80 degrees. This is important for disinfecting the dishes. When the program is finished, it will display P1 or P2 again, and now you can open the machine. Just roll out the dishes and let it air dry on the rail. Then push new dishes into the pre-rinse machine and close it, and then into the dishwasher and close. Again, the machines will start automatically. If there is no visible dirt on the dishes, you can put it directly into the dishwasher without washing it in the PRM first. If you're done doing dishes but will continue later on, push P1 or P2 until the dishwasher displays P0. This means no program is turned on. And then bring down the hood. This keeps the heat inside and saves a lot of energy. To do the same thing with the PRM, turn it off and bring down the hood. If the dishes don't come out clean, you might need to change the water. There is a brief written description on how to do it on the instructions for turning on the machines on the wall above the rail. If you need to change the water of both the machines, start by pushing P1 or P2 on the dishwasher until it displays P0. Then turn the lever underneath the pre-rinse machine downwards to empty the water of both the machines. Rinse the PRM with the yellow water hose and a dishwashing brush if needed. When empty, turn the lever back towards the wall. Then take out and clean whatever needs to be cleaned and put it back and bring down both the hoods. The dishwasher will now fill up automatically and display the temperature and P0 again when it's good to go. The pre-rinse machine will automatically fill up when the dishwasher fills up, and the power button will light up green when it's ready. If you want to change the water of only the pre-rinse machine, turn the lever all the way in the direction of the server's dining hall to empty the water of only this machine. When empty, turn the lever back towards the wall. Clean both the strainers and put them back. Close the hood and wait for the power button to turn green. Then continue washing. At the end of the day, start by opening the hood and pushing the power buttons of both machines. The dishwasher will start a countdown and will turn off in 5 minutes. Before this, you need to empty the water and start the cleaning program. Remove the small strainer, the metal plate, and the big strainer. Then remove the 2 strainers from the pre-rinse machine. Now turn the lever below the pre-rinse machine downwards to empty the water from both machines. When the dishwasher is empty, bring down the hood and turn on the cleaning program by pushing P3 and leave the machine for 30 seconds or so until the display has counted down from 0.3 to 0.0. When these 30 seconds have passed, open the hood. The machine will now count down and then turn off automatically. Now clean both the machines with the yellow water hose and a dishwashing brush. Be careful not to spray water on electrical parts. Only spray water inside the machines. Clean all the strainers and leave them in a basket overnight. The hoods of the machines should be left open. On day 5 and day 10, also complete the extra cleaning routine described on the paper on the wall above the rail. To do this, unscrew the shower arms of both machines. Take them out, wash them, and then put them back again. Also unscrew the filter at the bottom of the dishwasher. Once you have made a mental note of the direction of the filter so that you can put it back the same way, remove the filter, clean it, put it back into the cap, and then screw it back into place. The side without the washer goes into the cap, and the side with the washer goes into the machine. You don't have to tighten it very hard. Now wipe the inside of the machines wherever dirt might have accumulated. There can be quite a lot of hidden dirt behind the ledges and so forth, especially towards the back of the machine, so please be thorough. Here are some of the places that need extra attention. Also wipe the outside of the machine. Use only water or some green sopa if needed. No abrasive detergents are allowed. It damages the stainless steel. If error messages appear on the display or if the dishwasher is not functioning properly, go to the manual, which can be found in the binder full of manuals, and check out the sections Error Messages or Troubleshooting to see if you can find a solution. When you rinse the floor, don't spray the water too close to the dishwasher or pre-rinse machine, as the water can splash up and damage electrical parts. To wash trays in the machine, you can use the specially modified gray basket. When washing plastic cups and other lightweight stuff, put an empty basket on top to prevent the cups from turning upside down. If you need to do a descaling of the machine, there is a separate video for that, and a description in the catering manager's binder. Be happy.